Oh. Hello everyone. This is RobinBeAre. And I'm just walking in the rain. As you can see, above me is the umbrella. And then just bear with me for a minute, which is here's what it is when the umbrella is above me. It protects me from getting wet. And if I take it off, then I'm really getting wet. Anyways, back to walking. The rain's really nice, and it's kind of rainy and cold outside too, and cloudy. It's kind of cold. Good thing I'm still in the rain. Sorry, I'm shivering because it's so cold. And here's the truck and the droopy back and Buick. I'm shaking. I'm gonna go about a few more laps, and then I'll be done. Sorry, I'm shivering once again. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop right here for a minute. I know I'm getting rain all over me. There. Whoa. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go. Oh! It gets stuck. It gets stuck in the branches. Anyways, I'm gonna go one more lap and then finish up the video. Alright. that's gonna do it for this video. Till next time, RobinBeAre. And remember, if you like or dislike this video, I'll know. I can tell by how I can be able to walk around the house in the rain and with the umbrella above me and also my hoodie up on my jacket. So do the right thing, and I'll see you next time.